ஹாய் ஹலோ வணக்கம் வந்தனம் நமஸ்தே நமஸ்காரம். நான் உங்கள் சிவா. இது உங்கள் ECG English Classroom Grammar. Already we learned what are modal auxiliary verbs and semi-modals in the first part of the video, and we solved the book back exercises in the second part of the video from English textbook. Now let's see the remaining two exercises. Read the dialogue and fill in the blanks with suitable modals. The dialogue is between Dad and Charan. Dash, we go out for dinner tonight? This question is likely a suggestion about the dinner that night. So we should use the modal auxiliary shall here. Shall we go out for dinner tonight? Yes, Dad. We dash go to a restaurant where I dash have some ice cream. It is a future plan to go to restaurant, so we can use shall. We shall go to a restaurant. The second dash is there to indicate possibility of getting ice cream. At the same time, Charan is trying to confirm the possibility of getting ice cream. So that we should use the word can. Yes, Dad, we shall go to a restaurant where I can have some ice cream. Then Dad confirms the timing. For the clear confirmation, we can use the word shall. Okay, then I shall be home by 7 pm. And he added another advisable idea that they should be ready by that time. If we consider that as an idea or advice, we can use the word should. If it is considered as order, we can use the word must. Sure, we dash. The word sure indicates Charan promises that they will be ready by that time, so that we can use the word shall. My friend told me that there is a magic show nearby. Dash, you please take us there. It is an informal question within the family, so that we can use the word will. Sure, we shall. My friend told me that there is a magic show nearby. Will you please take us there? The next sentence is about the possibility of having enough time to watch magic show, so that we can use the word may. And Dad added further plan about the magic show. We already know that if the first half of the sentence is in present form, the second half of the sentence must be in the future form, so that we can use the word shall. By the way, dash, we inform our gatekeeper about our outing. It is a question to get suggestion whether they have to inform the gatekeeper about the outing or not, so that we can use the word should. Should we inform our gatekeeper about our outing? Yes. The word yes indicates that it is a positive reply, so that we can use the word should. Yes, we should, so that he dash be aware we aren't at home. Dad said that they should inform their gatekeeper about their outing. If they inform the gatekeeper without any intention, we can use the word will. Here there is an intention that the gatekeeper have to be aware that they are not at home, so that we can prefer must here. Yes, we should, so that he must be aware we aren't at home. The next sentence is a query to get suggestion from Dad whether they have to call mom and tell about the plan or not, so that we can use the word shall. In the next sentence, Dad says Charan should tell about the plan to mom, otherwise they might be in trouble when she returns home. We can use the word should, but the sentence ends with to. The answer is you ought to, otherwise we might be in trouble when she returns home. In the next sentence, Charan tries to predict the future and requests his father not to be late, so that we can use the word will in the first blank and won't in the second blank. Next exercise, read the following dialogues and supply appropriate modals. The first dialogue is between student and teacher. Can we leave our bags in the class during the break? Here the teacher gives permission with the condition that the student have to arrange the bags neatly. We can use the word may. The next dialogue is between passenger and conductor. My child is 6 years old. Do I have to buy him a ticket? Here the conductor says yes with certainty, because it costs half of the price of an adult ticket, so that we can use the word must here. The next dialogue is between two friends, Vani and Yoga. Can we go for coffee after the meeting? Here, Yoga replies negatively with the reason that she has to go home. That means Yoga is not able to go for coffee after the meeting, so that we can use the word can't. The next dialogue is between customer and the salesman. It is a question about the future, so that we can use the word will. When will I receive my order? If the salesman is sure about the timing of order delivery, he will say, I can assure you, sir. If the salesman is not sure about the time of the order delivery, he'll say, I can't assure you, sir, or I shan't assure you, sir. He is not sure but somehow he predicted that the order will be delivered the next day. The next dialogue is between Neela and Preeti. Do you think I should write about my education background in the resume? Preeti replies positively with the word yes. And we all know that the details about the education background should necessarily be included in the resume. So that to indicate the necessity, we can use the word should or must. If all the details are included, she probably get the job. To indicate the probability, we can use the word may. That's all about model auxiliary from 10th question. You can find the part 1 and part 2 of this video from the description. If you think this video will be helpful to anybody, share this to them. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the subscription. Bye bye.